So what's been going on in the markets today? SPOO's down 15.25. It's a bit, not much, but actually they've been bouncing a little bit. So that was a big wipeout we had. Took them down to 24, 23.25 technically, but a little bit of a bounce. See how that goes. Nothing to be excited about yet, that's for sure. What else? Stock in Canada down 14.5. Not gas, not doing much. Gold, man. Gold's a big story again still. Look at that range of $34. And we got down there, but it's holding in. Bit of a bounce about the middle of the range now. What else looks interesting today? Go look at ags. Wheat's up 3.25. It's kind of nice. Soybeans are holding in there. Saw something going on earlier that someone stepped up and bought $14 Novi calls and soybeans. That's aggressive. See how that trades out for. Hopefully, we can get it. We'll see how that works out for him. Look at the energy space. This is Brent at MOEX. This is the Moscow exchange. It's Brent at ICE right here. Chopping around. Got an expired contract for natural gas. Want to roll this expired contract, just double click it. It's going to roll for you. It's kind of nice. Cruise down a little bit. It's not much really going on in the energy space. It's really been metals. Metals. There you can see the gold trade again. Silver's come off a little bit. It was up over $1 earlier. Still looking pretty good. Copper's soft. It's kind of surprising a little bit, but tin's up a little bit at LME. It's nice. What else we got going? Not much really moving on at all in the metal space either. So I'm gonna go down at FX. I go on FX. Dollar index is actually up. You know, it's up. It's holding above 93. That's kind of encouraging. Euro's off. Yen can't do much. Yen's down 80. So that's still my saving grace. I think the dollar is going to be okay as long as the yen doesn't really fly up on it. And if you look at the yen futures right now, they've been roughing it pretty hard. Let me go to an hourly chart. Yeah, I mean, yen's really getting hit pretty good. So, and we got the dollar bouncing, so that's somewhat encouraging for that argument. Looking at dollar yen here is down below 7. That's kind of a big deal. That's been a big threshold for a long time for dollar yen. We got down below there, back there on the 22nd, but came right back out. So that's always worth watching because historically, rumor has it that the Bank of China defended the 7 level quite a bit and didn't want the yen to fall below that. But now yen is definitely, or not yen, I'm sorry, but the renminbi strengthened out a little bit, so we got that going for us a little bit. It's interesting. What else? What else can we talk about? Sauce. Anything going on in sauce? Coffee, man. Coffee is just flying. Coffee's up into the $3.50. And you look at this over the last couple of days, it's been making some seriously big moves. Look at that. Coffee down on the 22nd was trading around par. We're up 18-19% off of that. Just a matter of a little more than a week. Crazy coffee, man. Lumber's having a big day too. Lumber's up almost $16. We traded traded just shy of 600. So 598 is the high in there, but that's worth keeping an eye on. Lumber's one of my favorite indicators, so that's showing the economy's doing really awfully well when we're buying up a lot of lumber and building houses. So keep an eye on that one for sure. All right, I'm just testing some stuff out. Want to run some things by you. Don't share your thoughts with me. If you've got anything to talk about. Love to hear it. Love to have a conversation back and forth. So tell me what you're looking at.